Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Shiba Inu. Phantom, $FTM, becomes most traded token among Ethereum whales, but $SHIB remains top holding. Phantom, $FTM, has recently flipped the meme-inspired cryptocurrency Shiba Inu, $SHIB, to become the most traded token among the largest 1,000 whales on the Ethereum, $ETH, blockchain. SHIB remains, however, a top holding for these whales. According to data from whale tracking service WhaleStats, Phantom's $FTM is now the ERC20 token that has had the highest number of transactions among the top 1,000 Ethereum wallets over the last 24 hours. Phantom is a high-performance, scalable, and secure smart contract platform. It is designed to overcome the limitations of previous generation blockchain platforms. It aims to be faster and cheaper than older blockchains yet extremely secure. Phantom's token has notably lost around 40% of its value over the last 30 days in a sell-off that was affected by macroeconomic factors including Russia's invasion of Ukraine and rising inflation in most countries, and by a prolific developer, Andrei Kronj, announcing his departure from the decentralized finance space. Some market observers saw the move coming as Kronj had deleted his Twitter account and updated his LinkedIn profile to reflect he was no longer an advisor to the Phantom Foundation before the announcement came. Despite the warning signs, tokens associated with projects Kronj worked on plunged. Solidly, a hybrid automated market maker, AM, lost 75% of its value on the announcement, while automation $0.000030 mark. Shiba Inu, in the early hours of Saturday 23 April announced the commencement of the public sale of lands on its Shiba metaverse. This represents the third and final stage of SHIB, the metaverse land sale, wherein anyone interested is allowed to buy the remaining lands on the metaverse at a starting price of 0.02 ETH without the need to have locked up their $leash tokens. The bid event and the holders event, the first 2 phases of the land sale project, were driven by the leash and shibashi tokens, as only the holders of these tokens were allowed to bid and purchase lands during these phases. With the commencement of the final stage, how have the leash and shibashi performed in the last 10 days? The Shiba Inu metaverse and its new landlords. During the first 2 phases of the land sale, Shiba Inu recorded over 3,000 new landlords with a total of 12,975 plots minted. Data from Etherscan also suggested that during the bid event and the holders event, users spent 6280 ETH to acquire lands. This was also confirmed by a statement made by Aircam, Shiba Inu's developer, where he said on the project's official Discord channel, "How many times have you raised almost $20 million in 5 days? On a crashed market." Shiba Inu is also regarded as the most searched crypto last year. It has clearly outperformed Bitcoin in terms of popularity and market value. It might be an issue of having too much information regarding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Clearly, SHIB is enjoying the spotlight and looks ready to bark louder. According to Google Trends, the demand for Bitcoin has died down a bit in the past couple of months. Shiba Inu has dropped to 4%, which gives more opportunity for buy-in before the prices go up. The token's relative strength index, RSI, is now below 50. Buying SHIB now will help crypto aficionados have that vantage point once the prices rebound $317 at the time of purchase. SHIB had also overtaken FTX once more as the most widely held token by dollar value among the top 1,000 ETH whales at the same time. How is Shiba Inu responding? SHIB has been holding up quite nicely on the charts. With various accumulations and burns going on, the digital asset has not had too much of a hard time of it, although it does follow general trends of the crypto market like every other coin. As for the large purchases made by whales and how they affected the cryptocurrency, the changes have not been that apparent. There was a spike in the price on Wednesday following this purchase, but not by a large margin. SHIB had moved from $0.00002152 to $0.00002280 as the trading day drew to a close. However, there was a small downward correction that brought it back down to $0.000036. Shiba Inu is currently trading at $0.00002238, landing at a higher low after its correction. It still remains the second largest meme coin by market cap at $12.30 billion. Latin America, tipping point. The region flirts with and rejects cryptocurrencies. Typical Latin America. The region as a whole is having a love-hate relationship with cryptocurrencies. On the one hand, apparently, crypto. In this video, we will raise the following question. Will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to